with another video. So go check out his channel. Here's your boy. And then he's filming. So he's making also a video. So I'm also making a video. We're dropping the video on the same time.
Guys, you see, if you tell us, we can both make a video, on it, so we can both make 2 accounts there. Then we can both have the time.
Go check out his YouTube channel and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and to his. We're gonna see who get first to 100,000. No? Is that the race?
Yep.
Okay.
What do we
And
want? What do you
see if you can subscribe
upload?
with your nose. See if you can subscribe with your nose.
And if it's not, no.
Ah,
That was just a
go
joke,
sleep.
everybody.
Go
That was
sleep.
just a joke.
So yeah, we're gonna get into this video.
Bye,
So
everybody. Bye.
no, don't put off. Don't give people dumb. Wait. So yeah, yo, we're gonna. Here we go. Keep my camera back. Put your camera. Guys, we're now gonna pick this up. Then we go. You press there when I say you press, no? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Don't pause it. Unpause it. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. Press. Yeah. Yeah. Yours didn't move. Let's just go. Sorry. So yeah. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind if I show you my dog. Is it fine? Is it fine? Daisy is somewhere. I don't know, Daisy. If you don't mind, that's my dog, my guys. They're not really mine, but okay. I take him as my dog. Yeah. So we will be playing Minecraft, guys. He will make this video about Minecraft. So that's not actually a banger. That's not a banger.
Let's keep on.
This is just to say that we're gonna make a Minecraft video about me, what I'm building. Go check it out on his channel. Go check that Minecraft video out on his channel, and then like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that he's gonna play FC Mobile after that. No? So you will be playing FC Mobile after that. And then I will make it on my channel. And then I will post it on my channel. And then yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to that video. And between me and him, let's subscribe to all of our channels. And then you say, and then you and then
The dog watch everybody's videos. A dog that a person that the dog's gonna do. That person's gonna be rude to our YouTube videos. Inspiration stuff.
yeah,
Hey,
they what you
followers are
say.
gonna be rude to us also. So guys, if you see a dog, just say you ugly in the comments, okay? Good video.
Don't be done. You didn't post your video, stupid ass.
didn't.
Go on with the video.
So guys, if you see a dog,
So yeah, guys, if you could check out on his channel the Minecraft video as soon as possible, if I'm done posting the video, and then if he's done posting the video, and then you might check check out the video on my channel of FC Mobile, of where he play FC Mobile, and then you like, comment, and subscribe to see who's gonna get first to between me and him. To see who's gonna get first to 100,000 subscribers. Please, guys, like it up now and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe if you want to. And just subscribe to my channel and like the video. So yeah, let's see if we can get it to 5,000.
can you get it to 5,000?
Can you guys get it to 5,000
Can you guys get it to 5,000?
likes? And the subscribers to 100,000
So guys,
subscribers, and then we will give an iPhone. No, not the iPhone giveaway. tech a tech giveaway, a shoes giveaway.
Wait, Tausig.
But we must first
So
look what tech is we gonna give away because we didn't even say where the tech is, and it's very nice tech. So it's from sneakers,
subscribe.
it's Nikes, it's Nike, it's Jordans, whatever tech is. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and then we're gonna say goodbye, guys.
Baba.
Oh, goodbye, guys.